Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and it's nice to talk to you again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this red velvet dress with long sleeve and turtleneck. If you've got any questions whilst watching this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section below and send me a private mail at Julietugwuozor@gmail.com. I'll do my best to answer all the questions you've got. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So fold your fabric double and follow the 9:8:9 ratio and mark on your fabric like I'm doing. This represents the distance between your shoulder to your bust to your waist, and your waist to your hips. By the way, this project was done for a size 14 person. So when you're done making all the markings on your fabric, join the lines together just like I've shown you in the video. Also, this is also the part where you make a cutting for the neck. So follow the instructions in the video to cut yours out. Join the lines to create an arc. This will be the armpits and also where you create your sleeves from. So at this stage, just to make everything accurate, I'm actually going over the fabric to mark out my actual measurements for my bust, my waist and my hip. So whatever measurement I'm marking on the fabric right now will be a larger number divided by 4. It's because the fabric has already been folded into 2, which created 4 parts. So if you think the number is little or small, it's just because it's already been divided by 4. I hope you understand. Just hit me up with the questions if you're confused by this explanation, alright? Now, using your chalk or pencil, make the connections from all the center points and connect these lines. Now you can see that the shape, it's already taking shape. You can see that it's already forming the shape of a person's body. So, as this is a turtleneck dress, I have made a 1.5 by 3 measurement for the neck part. You don't want it to go any deeper than that. Now cut. Now for the sleeves, I created both sleeves by using the dress template as a guideline. So I folded a fabric into two and placed them on the dress template and cut the fabric. I did this twice. Now for the turtleneck part, I folded a strip of fabric into two and measured out a 4 by 16 inches measurement on the fabric and cut just enough to go round your neck, not too tight and not too loose. The next stage will be sewing up all parts of the fabrics together. Don't forget to hem your dress and the sleeves. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Thank you to all my subscribers and my viewers, and please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all social media platforms. And if you've got any questions for me, please feel free to send me an email. I'll be more than happy to help. Until I see you in my next video, happy sewing! Bye bye.